In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Base44 account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, along with a few tips to help you avoid surprises. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. Once you confirm, your profile, personal data, and access tied to that account are removed. If you have anything you might need later, like files, notes, or project artifacts, make sure you've saved copies beforehand. If your account is linked to paid plans or shared workspaces, consider the impact on billing and team access as well. Start by opening Base44 in your browser and signing in. You'll land on the main app interface. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's usually a small avatar or an initial. Click that to open your user menu. This menu is where Base44 groups key personal options, and it's the quickest path to your privacy and account tools. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the area dedicated to your profile details, security choices, and the controls for closing or deleting your account. Take a moment to review anything you may want to update or export, because the delete action you're about to take can't be undone. In Account Settings, locate the section labeled Delete Account. It's typically near the bottom of the page or in a clearly marked area since it's a sensitive control. Click Delete Account to start the removal process. Base4 will surface warnings here to make sure you understand the consequences. Next, you'll be asked to confirm by clicking Delete Account again. This second click is intentional. Platforms add an extra confirmation to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully. If you're responsible for any shared resources, understand how those will be handled after your account is gone. Finally, complete the last confirmation by clicking Delete Account one more time. Depending on your security settings, you might see a prompt to verify your identity, such as re-entering your password or acknowledging the action in a pop-up. Once you confirm, Base44 will process the deletion. You may be signed out immediately, and the system may take a short time to fully remove your data. That's it. If you're on the fence, stop before the final confirmation and review what you might lose. Otherwise, following these clicks in order will cleanly remove your Base44 account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.